Hello guys, very good morning one and all. Welcome to PVR Info. This is Ram. In previous session we discussed about positive attitude and pleasant personality. How to maintain our positive attitude and what are the benefits of if you get positive attitude, what are the benefits and how to get positive attitude and all we discussed in the previous session. Now today I would like to explain about the new topic that is called same means it is related to the positive attitude, that is called attitude, behavior and thinking. What is the difference between the three? I will let you know now. Now attitude, thinking, behavior. Maximum we feel that these three are same, but attitude is the topic or attitude is the word which is related to our mind. And according to I told you already about life-changing books, and one more book I would like to say, that is called 7 Habits for Effective People. In that book, the author Steve, he explained about the attitude. Means our life is only 10% of the life is what happens to us, but 90% is what we make us. What we make is only 90%. What happens is 10%. Means 90% is in our hand only. We will make it and we will break it. That is our life. Means 90% we have in our mind, but we have to be used in a perfect way. That is, it depends on us. That thing Steve explained in his book, that is 7 Habits for Effective People. That is called this attitude. Attitude is we have to start taking responsibilities. Automatically our attitude will be fine. Means we won't get any negative attitude or any different type of arrogant or attitudes. Like we don't show or we don't expose our attitude anywhere as a negative person. So always be responsible. If you take if you start to take responsibilities, automatically will be fine and we will be grateful to the work. We can work under pressure situations. Once we start taking responsibilities, automatically we will be serious. So these are the points you have to observe in attitude. Now thinking is the process. I explained you about thinking as well. Rich Dad Poor Dad also, and next one how to think and grow rich. That is also, I told you, Napoleon Hill, the book was written by. In that, smart work and hard work, it is only depend on our mindset, subconscious mind and conscious mind. These all I told you. And in previous session also I told you about positive thinking. If you think positively, automatically it happens in the positive way. So that is also main point here. And one important point is, in Rich Dad Poor Dad article or book, I told about thinking. Means we have to think in a logical way. Thinking should be logical. Should not surrender to the emotions. If you are taking decisions, we have to be very clear with the logical decision. If you surrender with your decisions like emotionally, so we cannot get success in our life. Means sometimes we have to be bent, sometimes we should not be bent. So that is very important point here. We have to think in a logical way. Automatically we will get success in our life. Thinking is very, very important for taking decisions. While taking decisions, the thinking should be very, very clear and particular. Logically, we have to think about every situation, so that automatically we can take good decisions and result will be also good. Behavior. Now here, thinking, how to get positive thinking or how to improve our thinking capacity, how to improve our thinking levels. Means some important points are there, like positive affirmations. We have to think in a positive way. Means always we should be in a positive attitude way. Automatically our thinking also will be positive way. Means we have to think about positive things. And whenever you wake up in the morning, we should be very clear with our thoughts and ideas. Means we should be very relaxed. Whenever you wake up in the morning by 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock, at that time also you should be very relaxed and be meditation. If you do meditation, automatically we can clear our any obstacles are there or any distractions are there, we can easily avoid that. After some days, when you start doing meditation, first 21 days you have to do, because according to human psychology, if you do any work for 21 days, it will be an habitual action. So same point, if you apply here, if you do the meditation for 21 days, after that you will be getting more concentration, focus levels also, and you can control yourself, self control also, self temper also, patience also, everything you can get by using meditation. So just do meditation, and positive affirmations you have to take, and just talk to the neighbors or talk to the people in such a way that in a positive way, like you greet others and smile others, just give a smile, and just try to talk to them others, and just greet them others. You have to maintain the way, very peaceful way, so automatically our thinking will be fine. Next, behavior. Behavior is the process, very very important here. Responsibilities or response, if you take response also, and where we should not respond, should respond, should not respond, respond. And here 2 points are very very important: assessment, determination, and discipline. These three are very very important in our behavior. Behavior reflects in this way. If you have good discipline, automatically we can get the good behavior, means it reflects us. Determination, if you have a good like aim, like a perseverance, determination also called perseverance. So if you have the one determination towards the goal, automatically we will get good behavior. If you are talking to others also, we use the time in a proper way. If you are talking to others, or if you are just watching TV also, we use in a proper way. If you are watching any YouTube channel or something, if you are watching movie also, you can get good points from that. So that is called determination. If you have that only target is there, if you have in your mind always dedication, determination, automatically whenever you go or wherever you go, outside or wherever you go, there we can always think about that. That is, it reflects as behavior. Ours assessment, we have to assess ourselves, means every day or every weekly once or 10 days once or monthly once, we have to assess ourselves, means we have to check ourselves whether I have that capacity, like whether I have that eligibility or not, means whether I am confident or not, whether I can prepare for this or not. Like if you are searching for job, okay, first 1 week you are preparing very hard, right? By doing very hard work, you have been preparing, but after 1 week you have to check yourself, okay, same confidence I have or not. So I need to be never give up. You have to push yourself towards the goal, then automatically you will get success. So it reflects our behavior, because if you have the responsibilities and where we should respond, where we should not respond, that is also very important. In this respond only, let me tell you, react. What are the useful things are there? There we have to react to the situation. What are the unusual things are there, like useless things are there, we should not react to the situation. We have to understand before. Maximum people in movies or somewhere, even in our life in general, we use, even we look around that, a lot of people, they don't know anything, but they are coming for fighting, means that is, they don't have any proper mindset. If the people, they pride that person, automatically they will come outside, like they expose themselves for just a fighting or something. So that is wrong. So we have to just which situation we have to react, which situation we have to be silent, which situation we have to show more interest. Stimulus is called more interest. If you have that interest on the particular topic, automatically we have to react to that. Reacting is different, response is different. Reacting means at the time whenever you get the problem, like if you hear the problem, at the time if you react to that, that is reaction. Response means you are thinking and you are taking decision, that is called response. These two are very very important, where we should have to react, where we have to respond. These two are very very important. Be clear with these two. And attitude, thinking and behavior, these three are very very important. Whenever you get these three, then automatically we can get success in our life. So this attitude means positive and negative both, and in previous session positive attitude I told you, and how to develop our positive attitude. Positive things lead to, or positive thinking leads to a positive attitude. So these are very, very important. This is about today's video, because in this session I explained about the very, very important facts. That is, these are related to our mind only. We cannot get from others, we cannot learn from others. We have to just change ourselves. Means this is called self change. That's why I would like to say self change. Self change is very, very important. Once you get your self change, self motivation, I told you, now self change, this is means this is in our hand. We can easily take the decisions and we can easily implement ourselves, and we can just, if you think for 10 seconds, you can get understand what is reaction and what is response. So these two, and attitude also very important. 10% only it happens in our life, but 90% we have to make our life. And logical thinking is very important, should not surrender to the emotions. This is about today's session, and I will come up with a new topic tomorrow. Okay, if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel PVR Info. Thank you so much.